The following is a selected video from masterthecontent.com, where you will find an extensive video library of lectures for a variety of standardized admission tests. We offer over 600 hours of detailed video lectures for a multitude of standardized tests. Use our interactive in-lecture table of contents to find specific topics of interest. Work through numerous in-lecture examples to help you internalize concepts. To learn more, visit masterthecontent.com. Your career, our passion.
Finding the equilibrium concentration. What is the concentration of nitric oxide when the gas equilibrium mixture contains nitrogen, oxygen, and nitric oxide at 2300 Kelvin? Known molar gas concentrations are for oxygen 0.25 molar, for nitrogen 0.5 molar, and the equilibrium constant is 1.4 times 10 to the power of negative 4. In this scenario, we can just begin by writing down our equilibrium equation. And our equation here we see for our products, that being nitric oxide, is going to be squared, and it's squared again because of the coefficient, because of the coefficient here. Perfect. And our reactants, we see we have nitrogen gas, we also have oxygen gas. Wonderful. And what is it that we're looking for? Well, it's asking us what is the concentration of nitric oxide. So if it's nitric oxide that we're looking for, then we should isolate here for nitric oxide. And we could do so by taking the square root of both sides, which we're going to do now. This will give us the following, right? Oh, just a little better. And we can write down the rest of our equation, that being our reactant concentrations. And once we go ahead and we fill in our values, we see that we have 1.4 times 10 to the power of negative 4. And our nitrogen here says we have 0.50. For oxygen, we have 0.25. Wonderful. There we go. And once we go ahead and we equate this, our nitric oxide concentration at when the gas at equilibrium will be 4.2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar. Wonderful. Okay, that's how you would find that. Now let's continue with our next problem. What is the concentration and the amount of moles of hydrogen iodine and hydrogen iodide at equilibrium if 0.15 moles of hydrogen initially reacts with 0.15 moles of iodine in a 15-liter reaction vessel at 445 degrees Celsius? Okay, great. Here, this is going to be a problem that we're going to use the ICE table to solve. Before beginning with the ICE table, you always want to make sure that your equation is balanced. Let's take a look at our equation. Yes, the equation is balanced.